Bienvenue à Science des Hyde.
Today's episode we have
Naming compounds. Formulas. Alright, I'm Coach Hyde. Those are some goofy kids. Alright, I'll start off with writing the formulas for some compounds. So here we have sodium oxide and tricarbon pentahydride. The first thing we must do before we write the formulas is identify if it's ionic or covalent. Here we have sodium, which is a metal ion. That's going to be our indicator that this is ionic. Here we have carbon and hydride, which is hydrogen. Neither one of those is a positive ion or a metal. So we know that this one is covalent. They're going to have two different sets of naming under the IUPAC naming system. All right. Quite simple for ionic. We're just going to write our middle name. Oh, we're writing formulas that way, sorry. So this is sodium Na, right? This is oxygen. So if we have ions, we're going to have to balance the equations. So our balance the charges. So sodium is +1, oxygen is -2. So in order for these to balance and to bond, we're going to need another additional sodium, right? So here we'd have a total +2 charge and -2. This would balance out. So our formula will be Na2O. When writing the formula for covalent, it's a little easier. We have tri, which is 3. This tells us there are 3 carbons. We have penta, which is 5. This tells us there are 5 hydrogens. So this will be C3H5. All right, so that is going from a name to a formula. Now going from a formula to a name, we can do SR3P2 and CO. So same first step. First thing we want to do is see if we are dealing with ionic or covalent. Here we have strontium. Strontium is a metal. This is a positive ion. This tells us this is ionic. Here we have carbon and oxygen, both of which are nonmetals, so this is covalent. When we're naming ionic under this system, right, these will always bond together at the same ratio because it's based on balance of charges. So we don't need to use prefixes. We know how they're going to be. So this will be, we're just going to write the middle name first. This is strontium. All right, then we're going to write the name of the nonmetal, which is phosphorus, and change the ending to "ide." So phosphor, but we kind of want to go back a little bit more. Phosphide. All right, next up, this is covalent. In covalent, we want to use prefixes. We have 1 carbon, 1 oxygen. So this will be monocarbon monoxide. With our only rule being we do not want to write the mono on the first word. We'll use mono on the second words, but you don't want to use mono on the first word. If this was, C2H8 or something like that, you do want to use other prefixes on the first word. So this would be dicarbon octahydride. And that's it.